Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trade crypto on www.coin.com. So trading on crypto on www.coin is quite straightforward. First of all, you will have to simply open your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device, and you can even also do the same steps in your www.coin application. Now here I'm going to do it in my web browser in my mobile, so you can also do the same as well. So here in the search bar, you will have to simply search for www.coin.com. Now once you are on the website, you will have to simply log in into your account. For that, tap on the profile icon in the top right hand corner, provide your email address and your password, and you will be able to log in into your account. Then in order to trade, you will have to first of all recharge some amount. For that, tap on the deposit option, select your currency which you want to deposit, and take that QR code and the deposit address and deposit some money into your www.coin account. Only then you will be able to trade cryptos at www.coin.com. Now once this step is done, you just have to simply scroll down, and here on the home page you will see the changes, the recent changes, top losers and 24-hour turnover. So over here, based on your trading experience and your trading strategies, you will have to select whether you want to trade into top losers or 24-hour turnover, because all of these things depend on the type of liquidity pool you want to trade. Let's say you selected the change tab and now you want to trade these types of cryptos. So you will have to select which pair you want to trade. So let's say you want to trade BTC/USDT. So you need to simply tap on that. Now you need to select whether you want to trade it in futures or perpetuals. So based on your trading style, you can select that. Then if you think that the market is going up, you will have to select this red button, and if you think that market is going up, you will have to select the green button. So for down it will be red button, for up it will be green button. And then you just have to simply enter the quantity. Let's say you want to put the 50% of your quantity into this trade, so you will have to select that and tap on the put option if you think that market is going to go down. So this way you can basically trade cryptos on www.coin.com. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.